There are many forms of energy. Energy is the ability to cause motion or create change. Electrical energy is energy caused by the movement of electrically charged particles. Thermal energy is energy due to moving particles that make up matter. The faster particles move, the more thermal energy is produced. Sound energy is the energy of vibrations carried by air, water, or other matter. Light energy travels as waves and can move through empty space. Some light energy comes from the sun. Kinetic energy is the energy of motion. The amount of kinetic energy depends on the speed and mass of the object. Potential energy is energy that is stored in an object. Energy cannot be made or destroyed. It is transferred from form to form. When people juggle, they demonstrate a transfer of energy. When the ball is thrown, it is given kinetic energy. As the ball rises, it slows down. Its kinetic energy is gradually converted to potential energy. As the ball falls, the potential energy is converted back to kinetic energy. Got it? Sure you do.